Gorgonzola Quiche with spinach. If you're tired of plain boring recipes and want something really mellow and tasty, then this recipe is not going to leave you indifferent. Gorgonzola is exactly that pronounced ingredient with special and refined taste that will make your quiche super creamy. You will love it. Ingredients for a 10 inches baking dish. Let's get to the recipe. Grate butter or chop it with a knife. We prefer grating it when the butter is frozen. Make sure there are no lumps. Salt the flour and mix it with your butter. Stir the mixture well with a fork. Add 1 egg and stir once again. Now continue to mix everything with your hands to form dough. You can do it in a bowl or on a big board. Form a bowl, wrap it in foil and put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. While your dough is in the freezer, preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. When the time is up, put the dough on a greased baking dish. Distribute it evenly on the entire surface. Prick it with a fork and bake for 12 to 13 minutes. Take the baking dish out of the oven and set it aside. Adjust the oven's heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we can proceed to our filling. Slice the spinach finely and blanch it for 2 to 3 minutes. When the spinach is ready, set it aside and let it cool down. Mix 4 eggs and the heavy cream with a whisk. Add in the sour cream, 1 teaspoon of salt and pinch of pepper. Mix it once again. Now we are ready to gather our quiche. Take the baking dish and spread the spinach on top of the pre-baked base. Distribute the spinach as evenly as possible and pour the egg mixture over it. Put gorgonzola cheese on top. Bake the quiche for about 40 to 45 minutes. It should be golden. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. The quiche tastes good both hot and cold, but we recommend to warm it up and eat it with a cup of coffee. So delicious and so gentle, this quiche will not leave you indifferent. Moreover, you can always prepare this dish in advance, as it remains tasty and fresh for several days. If you're still hesitating whether to cook this quiche or not, do not doubt. Just cook and enjoy. By the way, an excellent replacement for the usual gorgonzola cheese can be the gorgonzola dolce. It is a sweet variety with more delicate taste. Always relish the delicious and amazing dishes you can make on your own. If you liked the video, do not forget to click the subscribe button. Next time we'll cook an extremely simple butter with garlic and herbs that will elevate your meat ideas to a whole new level.